I'm Dr. Shaivalini, gynecologist. Today I'm going to talk about important things to avoid while using tampons. First of all, tampon is a small absorbent plug inserted into the vagina to absorb the menstrual blood. It's one of the many options available for the menstrual hygiene. Change your tampon every 4 to 8 hours. Using a high absorbency tampon can increase the risk of infection. Use the lowest absorbency tampon. Always make sure to remove the last tampon at the end of your period to prevent infections or bad odor. Keep track of your tampon changes using a phone app or a note. Do not use tampons for a vaginal discharge or as a preventive measure. Only use them during your menstrual period. If the tampon packaging is torn or damaged, do not use it. It might be contaminated. Always wash your hands before and after inserting or removing the tampon. Make sure to insert a tampon properly to avoid discomfort. Follow the instruction on the package. If tampons don't feel right for you, consider other menstrual products like pads or menstrual cups. Using tampons can be very safe and comfortable if you follow these guidelines. If you have any concerns or experience any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to your gynecologist. Thank you for watching my video.